human immune system. So once you understood the basic concepts of immunity, now very easily you can understand the human immune system. Okay? See, human immune system. What is human immune system? It is very simple. So it is a system that gives immunity to body, right? It is a system that gives immunity to body. So we have discussed all about immunity, so that no need of tell about immunity now, right? So therefore, it is the system that gives immunity to the body. That is what is called human immune system. Now let us see the parts of human immune system. Human immune system included with number one, that is lymphoid organs, and then lymphoid tissues, then there are cells and antibodies. So there are four parts come under human immune system. Okay, first one is lymphoid organs, right? Then it is tissues, then cells, and then antibodies. Here cells means they are nothing but WBC, right? Which cells? In that, the major cells involved here is lymphocytes, right? Lymphocytes. So we have discussed about these lymphocytes. We have discussed, and we have already discussed about these antibodies also. Now what is left to discuss? That is only the lymphoid organs and tissues. So the human immune system means, in your mind what should come? That is lymphoid organs. Today we are going to discuss about lymphoid organs. Remember, lymphoid organs. Dear student, whenever you hear the word about lymphoid organs, that is the major part of human immune system. So that is related to human immune system. Okay? So lymphoid organs, once you see this word lymphoid organs, as you know that in this word there is a word lymph, right? Lymph. You have studied about lymph in the first PUC. So what is lymph? It is the colorless fluid. So what is lymph? So lymph, I can say very easy like this. Lymph means the blood minus, right, RBC, platelets, right, then plasma protein. So this is actually the meaning of lymph actually. So in simple we can say lymph is a blood minus RBC, platelets and plasma proteins. Therefore lymph is rich in WBC. WBCs take part in immunity. Therefore, when you hear the word about lymphoid organs, that is the major part of immune system. It is a major part of immune system. Okay. What is going on here? Lymphoid organs alli ಏನು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ? That is the biggest question. Lymphoid organs ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ? The four process is going on. Four processes are going on inside the lymphoid organ. Four processes. Okay, number 1 is origin, number 2 maturation, number 3 differentiation, number 4 proliferation of lymphocytes. Right? Here the main person, that is lymphocytes. Lymphoid organs nalli lymphocytes origin agutte, maturations agutte, then differentiation agutte. Differentiation andre simply you remember, differentiation means become different, become different, become different. See, just think about T lymphocytes, right? You know that there are 4 types of the T lymphocytes, right? There are 4 types of T lymphocytes: helper T lymphocytes, memory T lymphocytes, cytotoxic T lymphocytes. So this process we call it as differentiation. Lymphocytes become different, right? Then 4th one is proliferation takes place. In simple, you remember, proliferation means increase in number, just increase in number, right? Don't worry much. So proliferation means increasing numbers. Nenpitkulli dear students, lymphoid organs na olagade lymphocytes galu origin agtavu, maturation agutte, differentiation agutte, then proliferation agutte. So that if suppose they ask in exam what is lymphoid organ, then you can tell that is they are the organs where origin, maturation, differentiation and proliferation of lymphocytes take place. Right? Now, come here. Let us discuss now types of lymphoid organs. So there are 2 types of lymphoid organs. 2 types. It is again easy, it is right. First type of the lymphoid organ is primary lymphoid organs. Second type of the lymphoid organs are secondary lymphoid organs. For your information, primary lymphoid organs are also called as central lymphoid organs, right? Secondary lymphoid organs are also called as peripheral lymphoid organs. Illi myelin is the primary lymphoid organs. Primary lymphoid organs irudarinda secondary lymphoid organs nalli ಕೆಲಸ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. Because the origin and maturation of the lymphocytes actually take place in the primary lymphoid organs. Okay, first you remember there are 2 types of lymphoid organs: primary lymphoid organs and secondary lymphoid organs. Now, I will tell you in a simplified way what are taking place in primary lymphoid organs, what are taking place in secondary lymphoid organs. Okay, just think that this is the primary lymphoid organs. First, let me tell you what are takes place in primary lymphoid organs. See, here origin and maturation of lymphocytes, right? This is the first thing. Now, these lymphocytes, after maturation, these lymphocytes now differentiate. Yes, lymphocytes differentiate to antigen sensitive lymphocytes. Antigen sensitive lymphocytes. This is what takes place in primary lymphoid organs. It is very easy. See, persons are lymphocytes, right? They are the major cells participating in immunity. So here what happens? Origin and maturation of the lymphocytes. After that, one more thing takes place here. These lymphocytes differentiate to antigen sensitive lymphocytes because they are able to sense the antigens now. They are able to recognize the antigens now. So that is what is taking place in the primary lymphoid organs. Now let me tell you what are taking place in the secondary lymphoid organs. See, now these secondary lymphoid organ, these lymphocytes now migrate to the secondary lymphoid organs. These lymphocytes now go to the secondary lymphoid organs. In the secondary lymphoid organs, these lymphocytes interact with antigen. So they interact with antigen. This is what is taking place in the secondary lymphoid organs. Antigens ಗಳ ಜೊತೆ interact ಮಾಡೋದು secondary lymphoid organs. After that, you should know that this lymphocytes here proliferate. Once they come in touch with antigen, immediately they start to increase their number. That is what is called proliferate. Proliferate to effector cells. Proliferate to effector cells. These two things takes place in secondary lymphoid organs. What are taking place in secondary lymphoid organs? Lymphocytes interact with antigens. After that, they proliferate to effector cells. So if you are not understood this, now listen to me carefully. Just think that lymphocytes are the soldiers, right? Lymphocytes are ಸೈನಿಕರು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಹುಟ್ಟುವುದು, ಮೆಚುರೇಷನ್ ಆಗುವುದು, ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಆಗುವುದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಗುವುದು. ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಶತ್ರುಗಳ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋರಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಲಿಂಫಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ? ದೇ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಲಿಂಫಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್. I can say secondary lymphoid organs are nothing but ಅದು ಯುದ್ಧ ಭೂಮಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯುದ್ಧ ಭೂಮಿಗಳು ಯಾವುದಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಲಿಂಫಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಟಿಜನ್ ಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯುದ್ಧ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಫೋಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ಆಂಟಿಜನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಆಂಟಿಜನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶತ್ರುಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಸೈನಿಕರು ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಂಗೆ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ they get much experience and then they become effector cells. ಯುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ so they become effector cells and here the number of the lymphocytes keep on increases. That is what is called proliferations. Now you got this idea? So in the primary lymphoid organs, origin and maturation and differentiation of the lymphocyte takes place. Then in the secondary lymphoid organs, lymphocytes interact with antigen and proliferate to effector cells. Okay. Now let me give example for this. There are two examples for primary lymphoid organs. Number one is bone marrow. The second example for primary lymphoid organ is thymus. It's very simple. Only two examples, bone marrow and thymus. These are the example for primary lymphoid organs. Then there are 6 examples for secondary lymphoid organs. How much? 6 examples. Let me tell you. The first example is spleen. Have you heard about spleen? The spleen. Second example is lymph node. Right? In the lymphatic system, you might have heard about lymph nodes. In the first PUC, lymph nodes. This is an example for secondary lymphoid organs. Example number 3 is, you heard this, tonsils. Tonsils. Example number 4 is, this is Peyer's patches. Peyer's patches, I will tell you, this Peyer's patches present in the small intestine. Peyer's patches, just remember now. And example number 5 is, everybody know, appendix. Example number 5, appendix. Now, example number 6 is, just remember, malt, M-A-L-T. So, as per the NCERT book, there are 6 examples for secondary lymphoid organs. Number 1, spleen. Number 2, lymph nodes. Number 3, tonsils. Number 4, pairs of patches. Number 5, appendix. Number 6, malt. Okay. So today we will discuss the information about the primary lymphoid organs. I told there are only 2 examples for primary lymphoid organs. Yes. Examples for primary lymphoid organs. Only 2 examples. What are they? Bone marrow and thymus. Let us see some information about bone marrow and thymus. First one is bone marrow. Everybody know what is bone marrow? It is a flexible fluid present inside bone. Bone marrow means it is a flexible fluid, right, that is present inside the bone. Bone ಒಳಗಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ fluid ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, that is called bone marrow. It is very very important because bone marrow is mining lymphoid organ. Mining lymphoid organs. Why it is called as mining lymphoid organ? Because everybody knows bone marrow forms all blood cells. All the blood cells are formed in the bone marrow. What are the blood cells? We have studied all those blood cells. Even the major, that is called the B cells and T cells, they are also formed from bone marrow. Now you see, here see. Suppose you think that it is the bone, and inside here you can see the fluid is there. This fluid is called bone marrow. But there are 2 types of the bone marrow. There are 2 types of the bone marrow. This bone marrow is called yellow bone marrow. This is yellow bone marrow. But at the end of this, at the end of the bone, can you see here? This here also bone marrow is present. This is called as red bone marrow. Red bone marrow. This is very important for us because all your blood cells are originated from red bone marrow. Red bone marrow produce blood cells. WBC, RBC, platelets, all these are produced by red bone marrow. Therefore, bone marrow produces all type of blood cells. Then one more important point is that bone marrow is the site of maturation of which cell? B cells. You know that is here the maturation of the B cell takes place. B lymphocytes maturation takes place in the bone marrow. Now, second example is thymus. thymus you have studied in first PUC, right? Endocrine glands, that time you have come across this thymus. See, thymus is a bilobed endocrine gland. Somewhat the thymus looks like this. You see, here it is. This is looks like this. This is one lobe and this is another lobe. There are two lobes in the thymus. That is why it is a bilobed. Thymus is secreting hormone. Therefore, it is endocrine gland. Okay. Next, where do you find the thymus? What is the location of the thymus? Already you know. It is seen near the heart, especially just above the heart. And you can see the correct thing is that this is present beneath the breastbone. Breastbone ina ಕೆಳಗಡೆ heart ina ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲೆ thymus ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಒಂದು endocrine gland ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Right? What is the speciality of thymus, you know? The speciality of the thymus is thymus ನಾವು ಹುಟ್ಟುವಾಗ ಸೈಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಹೋದಾಗೆ thymus ನ ಸೈಜ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Right? This is the point you should remember. Very important point. So thymus is large during birth and gradually reduces size. Gradually reduces in size with age. So gradually reduces in size with age. When you reach the puberty, it becomes very small in size. Right? So that is one information. The next information is this: the thymus secretes one hormone. Already you know what is the hormone is. The name of the hormone called thymosin. And this thymosin is required for maturation of T cells. Maturation of T cells. So site of maturation of the T cells, that is the thymus. Site of maturation of the B cells, that is bone marrow. Now once you see here, see this is the bone marrow and here is the thymus. Yes, from the bone marrow these T cells originate. T cells originate from the bone marrow. Then these T cells reach to the thymus. Yes, T cells reach to the thymus. Now this thymus secrete one hormone called thymosin. That hormone is required for maturation of T cells. So that is the reason you might have thought why T cells are not maturing in the bone marrow, because for the maturation of the T cells one hormone is required, that is called thymosin, that is secreted from thymus. Therefore the maturation of the T cells takes place in thymus. So this is about two examples for primary lymphoid organs. Don't forget, only two examples: bone marrow and thymus. Very important point in the thymus is this one. This is important for 1 marks and important for NEET. So it is larger during birth and gradually reduces in size as aging. Okay, so this is about the primary lymphoid organs. In the next video we will discuss about examples of secondary lymphoid organs. Don't forget, so bone marrow and thymus are the example for primary lymphoid organs. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep smiling. Thank you.